Welcome to Scheduley, your time management app. In this guide, we'll explain how to use the discount point system in your personal account on Scheduley app. When you arrive at your appointment with your service provider, go to the profile page and select Service Provider's Appointments. You will see a list of your upcoming appointments. Choose the relevant appointment. On the appointment page, tap Scan QR Code. The service provider will scan the QR code, and you will receive discount points. You can redeem these points later for discounts on services provided by the service provider. That's it! Now you know how to use the discount point system in your Scheduley personal account. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next video.